Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. Welcome. So I have something new to show you guys. Some days ago we were playing this song, Hosanna in the highest. Right, so I actually played a short lick there. So I just feel like coming here to just show you guys. It's very simple. I'm gonna break it down. Yes, I'm using this key. So I actually tuned down my guitar half step down. Right, so don't get confused. Right, so yeah, so this is my do. Right, this is my root. So we all know the progression. Hosanna, right? In the highest, there's a king believe that Hosanna. So the place we are going to our six. Oh, the start of right. That is actually where I actually played the lick there, right? So that's also where I'm starting that. Hosanna. Right, so this is what I played. Oh, right, so sorry. Oh, so it has to ring so that you don't cut it. You don't cut it though. So, right, go, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Right, so let the king be lifted. Oh, let the king be lifted. Oh, let's go. Hosanna. You see, right? So, guys, so slowly. 2, 3, go. 2, 3, go. So you see how it's sounding, right? So there just so what I'm playing there, let me just break it down. Let me call out the notes. So fa, re, mi, do, la. So that's the first line. Right, so fa, re, mi, do, right, ti, la. Fa, re, mi, do, ti, la. Right? Right, so right, so fa, re, mi, do, ti, la, so, do. Right? Right? Then so do, so then mi, la. Right? So do, so mi, la. So do, so mi, la. Right? Then re, so, do. Right? Mi, la, re, so, do. The normal circle of fourth movement. Right, so mi, do, ti, la, so, do, so, mi, la, re, so, do, then ti, la. Right, so 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Faster. 2, 3, go. 2, clean on 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. So you see, so try using a metronome to practice it. Practice it actually. It's actually very interesting, right? So try to make sure your notes are clean and clear, and there is precision in your notes also, right? So yes. Let's go. You see, so that is just also. So you can actually do something. So you can add, maybe we can do something different. So, yes, something like this. I'm just trying to be creative here, right? So, just in case you just want to use any of them. So the same thing. Well then, so yeah. Yes, so fa do, then mi fa so do. It's I'm also learning, right? This one just came here now, so I might use it in one or two other songs. So this also sounds interesting. So this is how creative sometimes we can be as musicians, right? So the first one I actually taught you is second one now. You see? So both of them works. 2, 3, goes. Let's try the second one now. You see, so you can use any of them. Any of them works, right? Done. So just try it out. Work with the metronome, like I said, try as much as possible to get it. Once you get it on a slower metronome or in a slower tempo, right, you actually get it more better when it's fast. So try it on a slower metronome or a slower BPM, and I'm sure you're gonna get it right. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Please, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to get more updates whenever I drop new videos. I'm going to see you soon.